Found your stocking, huh?
And a all superhero shirt. And Spider-Man. And more Batman stuff. And candy. Star Wars.
Right.
Who's that on top of the candy, Ollie? Santa candy. Sure, you can have one of your candies.
Whoa, Daddy, look what I got.
What is that?
It's a Transformer walkie-talkie that goes much. Transformer walkie-talkie computer.
Oh, I hope Ollie got a walkie-talkie too. You think he got one?
Yes, he definitely did.
You would think so. One would think.
Try patch.
James, let him do his stocking.
He has one.
Don't go through his, please.
I'm
Don't go through
giving
his.
it to him.
No, but let him. He's working on
He's
something.
eating his candy right
Wow.
now.
Alex,
Good.
Show me that chocolate you're eating.
Here, Ollie, I'll take your picture.
Is that yummy?
Here, want me to dump it
Bye,
out?
Elsa. Merry Christmas. I think you should get to dump it for him.
James, let him.